Okay, we're at the Ohio Railroad on Lipp Highway in Riga Township near Blissville and Village Riga that way. It's kind of not too far from where I live. I moved up to Otter Lake recently with my aunt and uncle, but there's Ohio Railroad here. So yeah, it's one of the red and gray ones. But yeah, here we are, Lipp Highway, and there's US 223 right there. Here it is. See behind the white line. That's my aunt's bike I borrowed because my bike has a back flat tire. The tube is bad on my back tire. Here's the horn. Woo! Indiana, Ohio! Woo! Woo! Wagner Road! Oh, it's scrap metal right in that gondola, I can tell. There's an actual Indiana Ohio Railway bulkhead flat car. Wisconsin Central gondolas. Illinois Central gondola with scrap metal. Wisconsin Central bulkhead cars. Canadian with an E. Yep. Four cars of scrap metal. SFC, that looks brand new. Shiny black. There's the NOKO. Just past Wagner Road, just goes straight to tiny village Riga, just one road next, which is Riga Highway. This is Lipp Highway. That's all. I'm happy to see I was on a bike ride up on Lipp Highway because I wanted to ride Lipp Highway on the gravel road, just the part down by near where I live kind of area, but yeah. And I saw the light up there coming from Petersburg, Pricksburg, whatever you want to call it if you're a Whiteford person, which I call it Pricksburg because they're squatters, but who cares? Anyways, yeah, so wanted to get it, was great, got it, bye.